Okay, today was another trading day. And as you see, I started the recording a little bit after I got in the trade. I actually got in on the, we saw here, we broke above the 200, which put us back in long territory. And then when this candle closed, I let this reject here. As you see, it rejected the 20 and 9 EMA, and on the break of that candle I got in to the trade. So as you see, I went through the entire trade and we ended up hitting take profit. And so it actually continued. It's a pretty strong trend this morning, but I did not have a runner. I just kind of, when I incur any kind of loss, I kind of shave back positions based on the loss I took. So it wasn't a big loss, but when I had the two consecutive losses, I pulled back my amount that was, well, my number of contracts that I came into the trade with. So I only did two positions on this one, and this would have been the perfect one to do. If I did do a small amount, like two positions, I should have had at least that runner ready to go this morning, because it actually it hit pretty strong this morning. So we can fast forward through everything. As you see, it hit take, let's see, we hit take profit here. So we had two contracts with two different stop losses. And as you see, the first one hit there. And then, we were in for the last position, and then that and we didn't move anything with the stop loss. So stop loss was strong. So the power of waiting for the rejection here and then letting it do what it was going to do. Like, let's say we had entered here, but we entered too high here. This wick could have been dangerous to us. That's why it's important to kind of let the break of the candle, the signal candle, happen. So I got my signal of entry right here on that close, break and close of the 20 EMA. And as you see, it actually tapped into the death cross. They call it the death cross because that's when, as you see, the 20 EMA is extended above 9 and then 5. But when the cross happens where the 20 goes back underneath the 9 and the 5 EMAs. And then that cross is very powerful. It tapped back into that and took us out in profit as well. So that was pretty much it. So we look back at what's happening with the current trend. We broke the previous day's highs, of course, the pre-market high, and it looks like it's doing some type of pullback retest. But I actually kind of saw the trend early this morning. So when I came in, I saw from yesterday we were making higher lows, and that's why I drew this trend line. And I saw in pre-market we came down, broke down, tapped into the pre-market low, and then we kind of like continued up. So I was looking for that continuation upwards, putting us in long territory already in the pre-market because of what it was already doing. So that's pretty much it. We went out in profit this morning on SPY, and that was it.